of the first run of the 2011 snowboarding season, and we're gonna go tear shit up.
Are you videoing me or you?
Everyone. And we're gonna drive into Jersey, and we're gonna kill Guidos. George Washington Bridge, 311. Truck to my right. Yeah, we're going snowboarding, baby. Matt to my rear. Matt, how is it back there in the cube? Adios. First run of the season, cracking the Red Bull. And let's go kill this. Maddie. What happened, Charlie?
Chaz, give us the play-by-play. Alright, so I got all lined up. And then I got fucked up.
McCormick. Yeah.
Did you give him a bent face?
A bent face. Shoots.
You alright?
Nice, dude. Nice, Drew. Nice, dude. Whoa. Is McCormick trying it?
No, I'm definitely not alright.
Nice.
What the fuck?
Oh!
No, I'm definitely not alright.
Nice, Drewy. Chuck nut. Ah. Nice, bro. Oh! Yo, Drew, how did that taste?
It tasted great, bro.
Like-
Brightness in my mouth.
Like grape soda?
Like grape soda.
Like grape soda. How you doing?
Bro, how bad? I landed it perfectly. And then I wiped.
Yep.
You do, right?
Full frontal fake out. Not doing this one. Go ahead, bro. Ah! NJ. The Dominator. Are you seriously considering doing that jump? It's insane. Any last words?
Help me God.
Chaz? Zool.
Oh shit!
No, I'm definitely not all right.